The southern margin of Russia is marked by the Central Asian ranges from Kazakh border in the west to Lake Bykal in the east, and the Caucasus land corridor between the Black and the Caspian Sea here. The Central Asian ranges rise above snowline and contain extensive mountain glaciers. The topography along this section is extremely complex. The mountain crest forms the international boundaries between CIS, that is the Commonwealth of Independent States, and its southern neighbors, includes Mongolia, China, and other ones.